Pluto was considered the smallest planet in the solar system until 2006, when it was recategorized as a dwarf planet. It is 39.5 times further from the Sun than the Earth is. Pluto is the largest dwarf planet with a diameter smaller than that of the Moon. It is composed of materials compressed at high temperatures. Its surface is mainly made up of frozen nitrogen and methane, which melt during the day and create a thin atmosphere. Its largest natural satellite is Charon. For decades it was considered as Pluto's only moon, but 4 more moons have been discovered since 2005. These are, in order of decreasing size, Hydra, Nix, Kerberos, and Styx. The diameter of Pluto is 2,372 kilometers, 19% of that of the Earth. Charon's size is considerable relative to Pluto, so the Pluto-Charon system was once viewed as binary dwarf planets. The diameter of the other moons does not reach 60 kilometers. The target of the New Horizons space probe is Pluto and its moons, as well as examining the objects of the Kuiper belt. It carries 7 scientific instruments which have been used to take photographs and examine the surface and atmosphere of Pluto. It also contains the first student-built instrument ever to have been placed on a space probe. This one maps the quantity and distribution of dust in the solar system from 2012 to 2015. The New Horizons space probe was launched on the 19th of January 2006. The space probe traveled 5 billion kilometers for 9 years to reach Pluto. It is the first space probe to be sent to Pluto, as well as the first mission sent to a binary system and to an icy dwarf planet. It took less than a year after the launch for the space probe to reach Jupiter, where a gravity assist maneuver was carried out. This maneuver is designed to increase the spacecraft's speed and alter its flight path using the orbital energy of a planet. As the spacecraft approaches the planet and flies with its movement, the planet's gravitational pull on the spacecraft increases its momentum and thus its speed. Due to Jupiter's gravitational impetus, New Horizons' speed was increased by 14,000 kilometers per hour. Meanwhile, Jupiter only lost an insignificant amount of its energy. Accelerated by Jupiter's energy, the space probe continued its journey towards Pluto and flew by the planet on the 14th of July, 2015. Since approaching Pluto, it has carried on its journey in the Kuiper belt. It is now heading towards 2014 MU69, a classical Kuiper belt object with a diameter of 45 kilometers. The space probe will approach it on the 31st of December, 2019. The New Horizons mission has helped us gather the following information about Pluto: its exact diameter, which is bigger than had been thought before. The surface of Pluto is brownish-red and much more varied and complex than had originally been considered, while the surface air pressure is lower than expected. As well, its atmosphere is gradually being blown away by the solar wind, just as happened to the early Earth's atmosphere. Charon also has a varied surface with a brownish-red North Pole.